Tell me all about your garbage trucks.
Recycle?
You have a recycle truck?
Yes.
And what else you got?
PW?
A W truck? What's that one?
A cycle?
A recycle at the end?
Yes.
What's this big one?
A green.
A green truck?
Yes, the truck.
Well, show us how it works. Does it make any other sounds?
Yes.
Ooh. Now show us what this big one does. What does this big one do?
It picks up the garbage.
Where's the garbage bin for it?
I can't see it. Where?
You can't see it. No, use the lever, remember? Where's the lever? Show them how the lever works.
Here.
Use the lever.
And it works.
Well, you got the door in the way, that's why.
Huh?
So we gotta fix the door on there.
It works. Ow!
Do you like your garbage trucks, Parker?
Yes.
What else is your favorite toy?
Windy.
Huh?
Windy garbage truck.
You like to play in the windy garbage truck?
I love this. I love the cycle. I love this. I love this.
You love all your trucks? How many trucks do you have? Can you count?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Good job. Give me 5. I love you, baby.
Have a lollipop.
All right.